Got a traffic ticket in Corpus Christi? You can dismiss it with a driving safety course, but Corpus has one of the tightest deadlines in Texas, so the clock matters. Here's every step, start to finish. First, eligibility and the clock. The usual gates apply. A valid Texas license and insurance, no CDL, and no course in the last 12 months. It's out for 25 over, no insurance, leaving the scene, a stopped school bus, or a work zone. And here's the big one. Corpus says you must elect the course within about 14 days of the violation. Miss that, and you can lose the option entirely. Step 1. Get your request in within that window. Corpus makes it easy. You can use the court's online portal or even email, which they encourage. You enter your plea in a signed eligibility affidavit and pay the court cost. Just don't pay the ticket itself, because that's a guilty plea. On cost, Corpus publishes it clearly. $144 or $169 in a school zone, paid when you make the request. The course and your driving record are separate. About $28 for the course, $12 for the record. Step 2. Once you're approved, the court enters an interim judgment and gives you 90 days. Finish a TDLR-approved 6-hour course online, then submit your certificate plus a certified Type 3A driving record. Meet the conditions and the charge is dismissed. The takeaway for Corpus: move fast on the request, and the rest is easy. See if you qualify and start your course at roadreadysafety.com/Texas.